Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your English copy. Today we are starting unit 14. Topic Mango Django comes to tree. You write dictation words: worried, kitchen, tomorrow, monster, angry, truth, afternoon, fridge, wings, tail. Now come to the next page. Write unit 14. Topic Mango Django comes to tea. Word sentences. Surprise. My mother gives me a wonderful surprise. Angry. Don't angry to others. Wings. Birds can fly with their wings. Truth. Always speaks truth. On the next page, you write unit 15. Topic The Gruffalo. Word sentences. Creature. We are creature of Allah. Terrible. The weather is terrible today. Underground. Electrical power is supplied by underground. Scariest. Gruffalo is the scariest monster. On the next page, write unit 15. Topic The Gruffalo. Part 2. Answer the questions. Question number 1 is: was the fox really afraid of the mouse? No, the fox was not afraid of the mouse. Did the Gruffalo think the fox was afraid of the mouse? Yes, the Gruffalo think the fox was afraid of the mouse. What do you think the Gruffalo will do? The Gruffalo will run away. What do you think the mouse will do? The mouse will eat a nut. Do your work with very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.